How to fix Roblox assets not loading. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video tutorial, we'll be discussing about two methods using the Google Chrome to fix the Roblox asset not loading. So first of all, once you open your Google Chrome, click on the three dots in the top right corner of the screen and then go to Settings. Now in the search bar, type in DNS. Tap on the security option and then scroll down, and there you will see the option of Use Secure DNS. Simply toggle the switch on. After that, close the Settings tab and then change the DNS settings in the network connections. In your computer search bar, type in View Network Connections. Now find a network connection that you're using. Right-click on your active network connection and then select Properties. Locate and select Internet Protocol version 4 TCP/IPv4 in the list and then click on Properties. Now select Use the following DNS server address. Now in the preferred DNS server, type in 888 and 848, and in the alternate DNS server, type in 884 and 4. After that, tap on OK and you'll be done. Now restart your computer and hopefully your Roblox assets will now load. So this was all about it. If you found this guide helpful, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.